Hi, I'm Brian with the Tennant Company, and in the next few minutes, I'll give you a brief demonstration of the Tennant 6100 ride-on sweeper. The 6100 is a highly maneuverable and versatile battery-powered sweeper, providing efficient one-pass cleaning on a variety of surfaces, including hard floors, concrete, carpet, and more. You might see 6100s working in a wide variety of locations, from factories and warehouses to schools, museums, and convention centers. Really, anywhere you have a lot of floors to sweep and not a lot of time to do it. The 6100 is designed to work in tight spaces and will fit through standard doorways and even into most elevators. The 360-degree sight lines will help make it easy to direct the sweeper just where you want it to go, and the bumper and roller corners will help to protect both the machine and the facility in the event contact is made during operation. The 6100 is manufactured with robust materials, like a solid steel frame and rotomolded hopper and body panels to ensure years of reliability even in challenging environments. The Tennant 6100 is equipped with a 22-inch main sweep brush and either a right-hand side brush like this one, increasing its sweep path to 30 inches, or the optional additional left-hand side brush to increase the sweep path to 38 inches. The brush is easily accessed without any tools and features Tennant's auto-adjust technology that will adjust as the brush wears. After the brushes and vacuum have done their job, the dirt, dust, and debris will be deposited here in the hopper, which is made of super strong rotomolded plastic, providing maximum durability with no chance of corrosion. The operator compartment features intuitive controls, including a steering wheel and directional pedal to control the speed and direction of travel, levers controlling the main brush and side brushes, as well as a few switches to activate the vacuum fan, lights, horn, and filter shaker system. When you arrive at the area to be swept, stop the sweeper, press the top of the vacuum fan switch, and lower both the main and side brush into place. For best results, stay about 3 miles per hour while sweeping. That's about the same as a leisurely walking pace. Next to your seat is the main brush lever that controls the position of the main brush. Pull the lever to the right and back into the main brush down position. To raise the main brush, push the lever up and to the left into the main brush up position. This lever controls the side brush. To activate and lower the side brush, just pull the lever to the left and forward into the down and on position. To raise the brush, just pull the lever back and to the right. If your machine is equipped, the optional vacuum wand comes in handy when there's debris you can't reach with the sweeper. Just remove the wand from the carriage and the vacuum will start automatically. Returning the wand to the carriage will turn off the vacuum. Up here is the debris flap that can be opened with a pedal, allowing larger debris to be swept up. If you see larger debris ahead, don't worry. Just depress the debris trap pedal to allow it into the brush compartment. Emptying the hopper and regular maintenance is a snap. When you're done sweeping, raise the main and side brush to deactivate brushes by utilizing the levers. Push the bottom of the vac fan switch to turn off the fan. Drive over to your cleanup area and press and hold the filter shaker button to activate the filter shaker. Turn off all your lights, turn off the key, set the parking brake, and empty the hopper. To empty out the hopper, just release the retainer by turning the lever to either side, and then lift and pull the handle to remove the hopper. You can easily roll the hopper to your dumping site to be emptied. If you use the vacuum wand, check the filter bag to ensure it's not full. After about 50 hours of operation, Tennant recommends performing a little extra maintenance, including removing and rotating the main brush and inspecting the filter, none of which requires any tools. To do this, make sure the main brush lift lever is in the up position. Then open the brush compartment door on the left side of the machine and remove the idler arm fastener and the 3 side skirt fasteners. Now you can remove the assembly from the machine. Pull the main brush out of the brush compartment and remove any debris wrapped around it. Rotate the brush, end for end, and then reinstall. Remember that every Tennant machine not only offers this durability and performance, but also the confidence that Tennant Company can provide you with factory direct service through our network of over 450 local service technicians, as well as telephone technical support and on-site in-person training. As you can see, the Tennant 6100 is just the right mixture of performance, maneuverability, and durability. To see how this machine can perform in your space, contact your local Tennant representative or go to www.tennantco.com to schedule a demonstration.